Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Bilqalam's Master Arabic Sounds, where you master every Arabic sound step by step. Today's sound is ka, ka, like in the Arabic word kitāb, book. It's similar to the English K in cat, but in Arabic it's always crisp and without extra puff of air. To pronounce ka correctly, raise the back of your tongue to touch the soft part of the roof of your mouth, the soft palate. 2. Block the airflow completely. 3. Release it clearly without adding a strong burst of air. Tip: in English, the K can be strongly aspirated, like in key, but in Arabic, kaf is always clean and sharp without the heavy breath. Let's practice together. Listen and repeat after me. Short vowels: ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku. Long vowels: ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku. Now let's practice ka in real Arabic words. Beginning position: كلب, كلب. Middle position: حكاية, حكاية. Ending position: ملك, ملك. Beginning position with ضمة: كرسي, كرسي. Here's a short sentence with kaf: الكتاب على المكتب, الكتاب على المكتب. Repeat with me, slow the natural speed. You've mastered the Arabic sound kaf today, from syllables to words to a full sentence. Practice daily, and in the next lesson, we'll unlock another sound, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.